This next short video shows you how to clean the helmet's lining. For a video demonstrating the post-dive cleaning and sanitizing process, click here.